Hello guys, we will be presenting to you Lucy, which is an AI agent that deploys decentralized autonomous organization, also known as DAOs. And as you can see, you can connect the wallet and enter the system. So everything about Lucy is explained about Lucy. And here we can see everything about it, including the technical architecture. And you can go to the GitHub by pressing the button and see everything about the architecture and our team. And also you can join the Telegram community by pressing the button. And before we get to talking, you can view all the contracts that were deployed by Lucy, and you can view the details and the code and interact with the DAO. So we'll start talking to Lucy. If you say hello, she'll answer back. And we'll be deploying a DAO for voting here. And to explain more about our architecture, the Lucy has 4 phases she's going through. The first is ideation phase, where she asks more about what we're trying to build, and she gathers information about what we are aiming from this DAO. And in the details phase, when she understands the first phase, she will ask about more details about the DAO we are trying to deploy. So as you can see, she's asking us a lot of questions, like what we're trying to do, what is the model, how much percentage of votes we need. And the third phase is deployment phase, where Lucy deploys the contract that she is going to answer to us by herself. And the last phase is management phase, where Lucy asks if user wants to store the contracts that is deployed by Lucy on the Lucy client. And if we choose to do so, then we can go to the contract page and view the contract. If you don't pay the money, then of course the Lucy will not store the contract on the client. And here you can see the contract will be generated by the Lucy AI. And all that we have provided, all the details that we have provided is, as you can see, on the contract. And if we choose to deploy by saying deploy, then Lucy will deploy the contract for us. And also there's a backend right here, where all the contract is deployed. And from the backend, the contract address can be viewed. And in the Explorer, you can see a few seconds ago, it has been deployed by Lucy. And it finalizes on the screen also. And as you can see, the contract address is the same. And we move on to phase 4, where Lucy asks if you want to store the contracts on the Lucy CLI, and we chose yes and paid. And as you can see also, you can view the contract 4 was deployed here. And the contract, this is not fully functional right now, but we are aiming to do so by the end of this